So hey, my name is Snehal, and I'm from Sydney, Australia. And I took this Vedic Math classes with Mr. Agarwal, I think. Yeah, Vedic Maths helped me really in my maths, in my everyday maths, like the cube roots, the square roots, finding tables easily, like in 5 seconds, and some methods where you can find stuff in like less than 5 minutes, where you usually take like 30 to 25 minutes. It was really helpful. If you want to improve in your maths or you feel like you're not doing good enough, you should probably take Vedic Maths. It will be really helpful for you. Just contact Mr. Agarwal or the company. And my overall thing is like, I love Vedic Maths. It was like one of the best experiences in my life. It still helps me. Like, I took them like a few weeks back, and I use them in my everyday maths. And my teacher's like, wow, you really know maths. So, thank you.